Hello, today we're going to be making one of my favorite vacation / tiki drinks, the painkiller. I'm going to do a variation of the painkiller with a little blue curacao to give it a nice blue color. So this is going to be like a blue painkiller. To kick it up with the spice a little bit, I'm also going to add a little allspice dram to it. This hopefully will give it a nice spiciness, like with the cinnamon and the clove coming out with the drink. To start, we're going to be using 2 ounces of dark rum. Then a 1/4 ounce allspice dram, 1 ounce blue curacao, 1 ounce coconut cream, and then 4 ounces of pineapple juice. Once you have all the ingredients in the shaker, you're going to go ahead and secure the shaker and then shake it till you like it. Okay, once you're done shaking, go ahead and pull yourself a glass with ice, and then go ahead and pour. Has a nice blue aqua color to it. And to garnish, I'm going to use a little bit of nutmeg on top to garnish. Cheers.